Hello civilians. Welcome back to our channel. And today we'll be talking about how important are looks and talent. So, let's begin. Now, let me begin this video by asking a question. How important are looks and talent when it comes to being successful? What do you think about it? In one of our last videos, we talked about how luck is an important factor for success and that you do need luck to succeed and for creating massive wealth. But what about looks and talent? Now, there are millions of people who are quite conscious about their looks and they believe that they don't look good or attractive when compared to someone else. They also believe that they could be successful only if they were better looking. Then there are some people who believe the same thing when it comes to talent. They believe that they could be successful only if they were born with better genetics and had more talents than they currently have. Then there are some people who combine these two perceptions and take it one step further. They believe that both looks and talents are needed to be successful and they didn't succeed in their life because they were neither good looking nor talented. But what is the truth and what is simply a perception? Well, today we will take a deep dive into this topic and we will give you an answer so that we can end this confusion forever. If you look at successful people across various industries, then you will find no correlation whatsoever between their massive success and being good looking or being talented. There are many legendary veterans who have achieved more in 10 or 15 years what most people won't be able to achieve even in their entire lifetime. People from all walks of life have achieved massive success despite failing multiple times and facing severe setbacks. People who came from humble backgrounds and had little to nothing became super successful despite not being born with a silver spoon. So, does this mean that you don't need looks or talent and you could be highly successful even when you're not attractive or have less talent? Well, no. Looks or talent might not make you successful, but they certainly help you in the long run if you know how to use them. Good looks give you an upper hand over someone who isn't as attractive as you. Same goes for talent. If you're born with good genetics, then they will help you to hone various skills which will come naturally to you while others might be struggling at it. We will tell you about some of the benefits that you have when you are good looking and talented. So, the benefits are as follows. Now, the people who are good looking and talented are more employable, which means someone has more chances of getting hired for a job just because they are more attractive or better looking. They are more confident, they earn more money, they have a better chance to attract an equally attractive life partner. They are perceived to be better at their jobs. They are perceived to be more honest and trustworthy. There have been multiple studies where it has been proven that attractive people are happier, smarter, and are more likely to be liked by everyone else than their average looking counterparts. Even attractive CEOs were reported to deliver better profits for their shareholders than average looking CEOs. The studies have also confirmed that attractive people are more likely to secure a loan and perform better academically. So far, we have talked about the advantages that attractive people have. But what about the advantages that talented people have? Well, they are as follows. Talented people can learn anything quickly and hone it easily as compared to someone who isn't that talented. They can achieve the levels of success and create a legacy which a normal person won't be able to replicate in their entire lifetime. They can choose a specific industry based on their talents and focus all their efforts to build a completely dominating career. So far, it looks like that if you want to be successful, then it's almost compulsory to be attractive and talented, or you would end up like the average folk. But before you draw any conclusion, you need to ask yourself, are looks or talent the only reasons for the success of many great individuals? Is it because of just good looks or a lot of talent that great individuals became great in the first place? Now, the clear answer to this question is no. Good looks or talent might land you a good job, a great life partner, or better opportunities. But if you're not hardworking, then you can lose everything that you have gained in your life. Just look at all the people who were once successful, rich, and famous, but now they are all bankrupt. There are many people who have gone bankrupt or are still broke as fuck. These are some of the people: Elizabeth Holmes, Vijay Mallya, Mike Tyson, Anil Ambani. All these people were once successful, rich, and famous. They had almost everything that you can imagine only in your dreams. They were sitting in the lap of luxury, but they couldn't sustain their wealth, fame, and success because they took it all for granted. This shows us that talent and good looks can surely give you fame, success, and wealth, but you won't be able to sustain it if you don't have the necessary work ethic along with the discipline to keep up the good work. On the other hand, there are many people who came from humble backgrounds and had little to nothing, but they not only became successful, rich, and famous, but also were able to sustain their success over the years and decades through hard work, consistency, and discipline. Now ask yourself this question: did any of the people that I'm about to mention succeed in their lives simply because of good looks and talent, or were they simply hardworking with a lot of consistency and discipline? Did Oprah Winfrey succeed simply because of her looks or talent? Did Walt Disney succeed simply because of his looks or talent? Did icons like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone succeed simply because of their looks or talent? The answer to all of these above questions is a clear no. These people are not the product of their looks or talent, but the product of their sheer hard work, consistency, grit, focus, and determination. What these successful people have achieved could have been achieved by millions of other people who had same or even better looks and talent than them, but they didn't. Do you know why? It's because while these super successful people were willing to work their ass off and put in the work, while other similar people were too lazy to work on themselves. It's quite easy to blame bad looks, not being talented enough, and many strokes of bad luck when the simple truth is that you weren't willing to work hard. It's also very easy to credit good looks, talent, and being lucky when the simple truth is that someone really worked hard for their success and worked even harder to sustain it in the long run. There are millions of successful people that we didn't even include. It's high time that you should stop blaming looks, talent, or luck for being unsuccessful and start working hard on yourself to be successful. If you are willing to work hard for yourself, then you can achieve almost anything and everything that you can dream of. Lastly, always remember that good looks are the only differentiating factor when that's all what you have to offer. Just think about it. If you are more than your looks or talent, then the whole world will respect you for the quality human being that you are instead of just being sexy, talented, lucky, rich, famous, or successful. The super successful didn't come this far just because of their looks or talent. They came this far because they kept working even when no one was watching them. While you sit on your ass in the off season, they don't have an off season. As soon as they have won something, they don't celebrate for too long as they are already on to their next project. This is a critical difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. Now you know that looks, talent, luck, money, or other people will only assist you in getting successful. But what truly makes you successful is your own hard work combined with discipline, consistency, and a lot of other factors. Hence, stop blaming other factors for your success and start taking charge of your own destiny by actively shaping your reality each and every day. We wish you all the very best for your future. Well, that was it for today's Civilians. Now, if you really liked our content, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your likes that motivate us to make more content just for you. And do follow us on Instagram because our community of like-minded people is growing bigger day by day. So, thanks for being with us until the end. We'll see you in the next one, and thank you.